Hi, I'm Thibaut De Lataillade, General Manager at GetApp, and as part of our Rebuilding Your Small Business series, we are interviewing expert contributors to offer practical business advice about how to improve the overall customer journey. For those who don't know, GetApp helps businesses like yours discover and compare great software. And today, I have the honor to interview John Lawson, best-selling author of Kick-Ass Social Commerce for E-Preneurs and CEO of ColderICE Media, a consulting agency helping small businesses with online sales, marketing, and content creation. Hi, John. Before we start, I'd like to ask you to share with our audience your own experience of being an entrepreneur and running a business.
Sure. I mean, basically, I am that quintessential kitchen table entrepreneur. I started my business completely out of need because I was about to go bankrupt over a really bad real estate deal. And I decided to start selling used ebooks on eBay. That's how I got started. And my business grew so much in the first few years that we were invited as early beta testers for the Amazon third-party seller platform back in 2005. So for more than 20 years now, I've been both a marketplace, Amazon-type eBay seller, and a direct-to-consumer business with my own website at shoestringking.com.
During the last year, we saw how pandemic restrictions forced brands to pivot from traditional marketing tactics. What are the most striking examples you saw in action?
You know, what's crazy is what was expected to take e-commerce 3 to 5 years to get to adoption happened in a single year because of COVID and lockdown restrictions. Consumers ended up spending $861 billion online with US merchants in 2020. And that's up an incredible 44% year over year. 44% growth in 1 year.
So what are your top tips to increase online conversions?
If you want success, make sure you have this, okay? High quality imagery, video as part of that imagery whenever possible. Offer free shipping. I get it. There's always postage involved, but the deal is you can put that into the price and it will increase your conversion rate. Tweak your checkout processes for simplicity. No surprises in the back end about fees or pricing increases that we didn't know about. Improve your site speed and have it mobile responsive, and then make sure you have an abandoned cart sequence because you want to recapture consumers that were already interested and turn them into buyers.
What's important for SMBs is to select the right tool, and so to manage all of that. So how do you recommend they select the right software for their business?
E-commerce success is all about your tech stack, right? You have to find the best tools, the best solutions, and then integrate all of that to wherever you're hosting. That's what, the e-commerce part is. So you can use sites like GetApp to find and compare tools based on your business requirements, and GetApp will actually assist you in identifying solutions that will integrate, and then you gain the access to like 1.23, I don't know, over 1 million validated, which is important, peer reviews to assist you with making sound choices.
Do you think that when you look at the overall trends that we discussed today, do you think that these trends are really here to stay, and will they continue to be amplified?
Online is going to be and will continue to be a force that has really inspired a complete shift in the way consumers think and their behavior. And part of that, of course, is because of the restrictive movement during the pandemic. And as we transition out, the mindset will still remain. That juice can't be put back. So there is now a true hybrid between digital and physical shopping that has become more ingrained in people's everyday life. Welcome to 2021 and beyond.
Stay tuned for the next exciting interview. And in the meantime, if you'd like to share your opinion about the software you use, please leave a review on getapp.com and follow us on LinkedIn.